Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on this aircraft. Please keep your attention to the cabin crew at the front of the cabin. Fasten your seatbelts like this and tighten it. To release, let this catch. Now the use of your life vest. Your life vest is under your seat. Slip the life vest over your head. Bring the waist strap around your waist. Connect the clip and pull the strap to tighten. Inflate your life vest only at the exit. So inflate, put the red flag firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into this tube. That's a light and a whistle for attracting attention. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above. Put the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Put the elastic strap over your head and adjust the straps. Breathe normally. Be sure to fit your own mask before helping others. Please note whether emergency exits are located on this aircraft. There are exits at the front, at the back, and at the overway. During evacuation, do not bring your belongings with you. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the lights to the nearest exit. The safety information card in your zip pockets contain additional information. Please read it carefully. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed on zip line. An attempt to smoke will set off the smoke alarm. You may continue to use your lightweight portable electronic devices such as smartphones and tablets in flight safe mode unless advice are given by the crew. Do note that during taxi, takeoff and landing, headphones or earphones must not be worn in a chargeable portable electronic